Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at the Anker SoundBuds Slim Bluetooth headphones. Coming up. If you like these unboxings of gadgets and tech, please hit that like button, share the video, and push that subscribe button with the notification bell so you know when new videos are posted. Okay, here we have the Anker Slim SoundBuds from Amazon. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, and I'm just bringing the value to you so that you can find budget earphones that sound good. So we're going to see if these sound any good. I hear a lot of great things about Anker. If you know about Anker, you probably know them for their cell phone accessories like wireless chargers, portable batteries. What else do they have? Power banks, all kind of different kind of accessories. I did not know that Anker made headphones until I did some searching on Amazon in search of some budget Bluetooth headphones. So we're going to take a look at these, see what they look like. This is going to be a two-part video. The first part is the unboxing. We're just going to take a look at what's in the box, get an initial look and a good initial impressions of the body, the build, the design, look at some of the instructions and see just what they're made of. And then we're going to pair them up with a phone, most likely the LG V40, and see how they sound, see how they stack up, and see if there's value in spending less than $20 on a pair of Bluetooth headphones. Okay, let's see what's inside. So this is what you get in the box. SoundBuds Slim, total hold, play longer, water resistant, Bluetooth by Anker. And the back has some telephone numbers and email addresses for support, whatnot. 18-month warranty. I like that. The choice of 20 million happy users. All right, so let's see what we got inside here. Open that up. Okay, does this pull out? So you got something stuck in there. Does this pull out or you gotta pull it out yourself? Let me see if I can pull this out. I don't want to tear anything up. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's put this to the side. Uh-oh, sorry, Monfrotto. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got inside of here. Now let's just open up. What do we got here? Oh, okay. Open it from this side. Oh. All right, so we got a velvety case, some bags, a wire for a cable for charging, and some booklets. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got here. We got an owner's manual, which is always important, filled with instructions, how to turn on, how to turn off, how to charge, how to pair, controls, specifications. So what do we got here? Let's read the specs real quick. We got an input of 5 volts. Charging time is 1.5 hours. Play time varies by level and content. 7 hours. 16 ohm impedance. Driver is 2 full range drivers. We got dual drivers. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Bluetooth version 4.1 in a range of about 33 feet. All right, so those are the specs. You get that in the box. You get this warning sign. What is this? Safety instructions. Okay, read those. Make sure you use these safely. Happy? Or not happy? If you're not happy, call customer service. If you are happy, tell your friends and family, share and connect with Anker on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Is Google Plus still a thing? I thought they were done for. Alright, so here's the cable. It is a micro USB cable. do standard USB for charging purposes. What do we got here? Open this up. So they really put these things together. Okay, so this looks like a set of cable management tools. So you can shorten the cable if you want. Clip the cable to your clothing, or you can use this little piece here. This little piece here can be used to shorten the cable if it's too long for you. So we got that over there. What else we got? Open up. Replacement tips. Gotta have those. And wow, we got a bunch of them in there. Let's see how many we have. So we got one for really small ears, a set of medium tips. I don't know if there's any tips on the device themselves. We'll see when we get there. And two large sets of tips. So depending on your ear size, your ear canal size, depending on your ear canal size, I'm a little anal. Let's get this set up the right way. Okay, depending on your ear size, you got different size tips, so you can have a comfortable listening experience. What we have in here, so if those are tips, and that's the cable management, what is this? These are the jokers that go inside your ear to help them stay in place. So these go around the earbuds themselves, and these little hooks go inside your ear canal and help them stay in place. So when you're moving around and things like that, they don't fall out very easily. That's cool. That's good to have. All right, so we got two sets of those, and those seem to be different sizes as well. Nope, they're all the same size. Nope, I take that back. You got a short size and a long size. There you go. Okay, so there we go. We've got our cable management, ear tip replacements, whatever these are called, to go inside your ear canal so that the things stay in place. Now you've got this, I like this slit case. Look at that. I could play with this all day. I could do this for hours. This is a stress reliever. But let's get to the earphones, shall we? All right, let's pull those out. Anything else in there? Nope, empty. So that's a nice little velvety carrying case if you so desire to put the earphones in there. I'll put that up there. And here we go. These are the Anker SoundBuds Slims. Let's see if they're labeled. Okay, so you've already got the little hook tips in here already pre-installed, and a pair of tips already pre-installed on the buds themselves. You see that? Nice red colored cable. The cable is very thin, not a very heavy gauge cable. Basically to go around your neck and help you have some comfort. So it's not too heavy, so you don't have a heavy cable around your neck, but it is a little thin, just so you know, upon first inspection. But it's not really carrying any audio like that. All the audio is being received in the Bluetooth connections here in the earphones themselves. This is a control jack. You got looks like you got volume up, volume down, play. I'm sure these buttons also work for controlling calls. Here you've got the port for charging for the charging right there. Okay, so that's that. Very simple. And these are the famous SoundBuds Slims. I like these already. They've got this magnetic thing going on, so I imagine when you put these around your neck, take them out of your ears, they'll stay in place, they won't fall off. A little bit less likely to lose them because of that connection there. I like that. That's nice. And what else do we have? The Anker logo. You can see that. Trying to get, there we go, the Anker logo. Come on with the connection there. There you go. Anker logo prominently displayed. Very nice. I like that. I like minimalist kind of branding. I don't like a whole lot of gaudy stuff. What is this white thing here? Oh, just the model number of the SoundBuds Slim. I suppose you could take this off if you want to. You could take that off. But yeah, so first impressions, hard polymer plastic. These are not metal. Nice plastic. It's very hard though. Doesn't feel flimsy at all. Very hard plastic. Obviously, like I said, they have the magnetic connectors in there to keep them in place when you take them out of your ears. A little big, a little long. See that? A little long. Interesting to see how these are gonna fit when we get them used, get to start using those. It's a little longer. They're kind of like barrels almost. But we shall see how these fit, how they sound. But these are the Anker Slim SoundBuds, or the SoundBuds Slims by Anker. Okay, these are less than $20 right now on Amazon because of their holiday specials. So you can pick these up for right around $17. We're gonna try these out. In part 2, we'll come back with a full review and let you know what I think. There we go. What I think of these earbuds, how they sound, how they feel, all that good stuff. Okay, I want to thank you for joining once again. If you like this unboxing, hit that like button and please subscribe because we have so much more coming up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell once again so you know when we have more videos being posted. Okay, thank you so much and you all take care.